Okay, I'm gonna starting this. Wow, this is this is quite the deal. I uh, I don't know. This is a totally new thing for me, which is really pretty good. Um, yeah. So we started out over here, so Lord British's castle, and now we're ending up over here at the Stygian Abyss. Um, so I'm not gonna do this tonight, but it would be pretty cool though to let's see. Let's make sure we got this up. Let's see. There we go. That's better. All right. Well, I'm just gonna try this out. I need to know if this is gonna work. Um, this yeah. It doesn't look that great yet, but we keep working on it. I keep working on things, and eventually stuff kind of works out for me. So we're gonna journey onward here. Oh wait, we gotta go back here. Okay, ready? Ready? All right, journey onward. Journey onward, and I'm gonna show you where we're at. Um, and we're not going to do anything right now. But I was kind of curious as to what we can do. Cast. We'll make John cast the dispel. Will it work? Oh, what? What on earth is that? There's a chest there. Well, you have to get the chest, right? Really? With infinite chests? Weird. All right. I didn't know that. That I don't think it was like that in Ultima 4 on the Apple II. I certainly don't remember that. I don't know. We have an emulator. We could load it up and try it again, but I don't want to try that right now. Oh, you can't enter now. Ooh, wow. Interesting. I guess never quit and save after you've dispelled the magic uh, fire field at the Stygian Abyss, because you'll never be able to finish the game. Wow. Huh. Interesting. Well, I didn't. I that kind of blows me away. I wasn't counting on that. Anyway, I'm gonna shut this off because I don't want that happening. Oh my goodness. Yeah. All right. Let's try it again. I just want to make sure we can get in. That I can't believe that. Really, that was unexpected. I'm learning new things about Ultima 4 even now. You know, that came out in 1985. This was kind of a redo from '87. It looks like, but there's still some stuff. There's some like cheats you can do even. Uh, you can uh, you can cheat your way all the way through the dungeons if you really want to. There we go. Weird. So if you dispel that, that's it. That's the end of it. That's the end of your. And if you quit and save after that, your game is completely screwed up. There's no way to win. Okay. I'm not going to go through this, but what was one thing I did want to kind of show you though. If you cast a energies field, let's say doesn't matter, but fire field, it'll cast right in front of you. Dupre can dispel it, and, and it gets rid of the dungeon rooms. I didn't even know that until this year. I saw someone doing a like a speed run through Ultima 4, and let's see, we'll have Jana dispel it. So otherwise, these are actually pretty. they're not that bad, but I mean, you could just delete the dungeon rooms and see. Yeah, I want to do this, but I don't want to do this tonight because it takes at least 4 hours to get through this. But look, it just disappears. You turn around. I had no idea until I watched this one speed run through the game, and that's what he did. He finished the game in an hour and a half or so, a little bit less than an hour, or a little bit more than an hour, um, and just by cheating like that, he just cheated. We gotta be. Um, uh, well, still got 85 magic points, so he's gonna. We're just gonna dispel our way. That's it. That's the. Oh no, here you go. There's a few more. That's this kind of stuff. I mean, this isn't that bad. Um, it's so boring though sometimes. I'm gonna show you going through it the legit way, but I want to show you the cheat way first. So go down. This first one takes probably about an hour to get through. Yeah, there's even more. Two more rooms. I didn't say why it failed. That's weird. Energy field dispel takes a lot of magic points. Okay, we got all kinds of. There we go. Failed. Oh, it says failed, but it didn't fail. That's interesting. Hmm. Oh, sorry. Firefield failed. Yeah, it should say it's failed because you're just straight up cheating your way through the game. There's Ghost. Guess Undead. Let's see what they do. Oh, she can't cast anything. She's zero magic. The Shepherd's pretty useless. I mean, the Shepherd doesn't really have anything to do. They can't really. They don't have any skills at all. They're not. They're not smart. They're not. I mean, I guess that's the whole point of the virtue of humility. So you're not very smart. You're pretty clumsy. You're pretty dumb. All you can do is just chuck these Molotov cocktails at skellies and orcs and stuff, and hope that somebody else is gonna heal you. We got him. Okay. Anyway, if you cheat your way through this game, it's not hard. It's not very rewarding to do it that way. See, undead didn't work very well against these guys this time. None of them were retreating. That guy's still attacking. There you go. Okay. I don't need that. I don't need that either. It's just poisons you. Wait. Uh, Here. Search. Oh. Okay. Um, cast ice ball. Lava lizard doesn't like ice ball. Excuse me. I don't think the Hydra let ice ball either. Goodbye. Bats are actually not evil, but since they're mixed with evil um, creatures, I don't think we can just run away. Stone, and it follows the familiar pattern, which is honesty, compassion, valor, justice, sacrifice to honor. What? Justice, honor, sacrifice, spirituality, humility, which all colors. It all follows a color combination starting with blue. Oh, no, which virtue stems from truth? Honesty. Use that stone, the blue one. Descend. There you go. That's all I'm doing for tonight. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. I'm definitely not going to cheat the whole thing. But it's interesting to know how to use this software. I have never used this before. It's pretty cool.